thought it would be fun to do a slightly different style video today. So I made two versions of a candy cane soap this year, a pink and a purple. And I know which one's my favorite, but I thought it'd be cool to see which one was your favorite. So as you can see, I made a ton of candy cane embeds. They were a pain to make, in case you were wondering. I embedded them in this soap, and you will see when I cut it that not every bar cut through the middle, but every bar does have a candy cane in it, so it will be revealed as you use it if they don't see it, right in the bar when you cut it. So anyways, I did a basic in the pot swirl with white as the main base and then pink as the swirl color. I should have done a little bit more of a variation because the candy cane embeds got a little lost, I think, when it was all said and done. Anyways, after the in the pot swirl and adding the embeds, I then placed all these tiny pink candy canes I had made. If you haven't, catch the video on how I made these from Wednesday. Anyway, they took a lot of time. They are cute, and they took a lot of time to place on top of the soap. When I added them, I also decided that I needed some pink biodegradable glitter. And then I had these pink sprinkles that I was like, I'm gonna add these too. I guess you can't have too much pink, at least not in my opinion. So yeah, that was how all those elements came together in this soap. Here's the cut of the pink candy canes. You can see how not all the candy canes are perfectly straight, but they are in every bar, and they are kind of cute. There's just not quite the contrast that I wanted. But overall, it's pink and it's cute. Okay, here is the second version, the purple. So as you can see, there are no embeds to start. I told you those candy canes were a pain to make, and I wasn't overly pleased with exactly how they turned out, so I decided to do a hanger swirl instead. So you can see I have the dark purple as my base, and then I'm pouring white and a lighter purple back and forth. I'm just kind of layering it into the dark purple. Then I will take my hanger swirling tool, and I'm just gonna bring it down, up, and around through each batch to create that swirl. From there, I did the exact same thing. I used purple biodegradable glitter, purple and white sprinkles, and of course, more purple candy canes. I made a lot of candy canes this year. I like the purple candy canes. I don't know, there's just something about them. They kind of stand out to me. Maybe because they're different. I mean, red and green is really obvious. Pink you see a lot of, but purple is just a little bit different. So that might be why I really like them. Okay, finished putting all those candy canes on, and here is the cut batch. Look at those swirls. I have to say, I like this batch. The swirls just, they stand out to me, and I think purple won for me. So how about you? Which is your favorite?